Makadi. Tozi yangu vayari batisiri kubatika. Tadzoka. Maizia. Tadzoka. Zvatadzoka takadai so munhu wese ane YouTube channel yake. Saka ndokumbira muno subscriber praise_dude. Lolo Kimentanaka. Right. Tine mapai ari panapo mapaper stick.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care. Let me tell you, we don't care.
Akurohwa inonzi eating competition munoiziva yataita kuprimary obva winiswa mabhuku yayo.
Oh my God! Wow!
Right. Mapai ari apa. Referee wedu ari kokuseri. Anonzi T1.
Tira sei apa.
Tunyamura masimba.
Atikuvuja.
Chingodi wakutanga kupedza.
Saka utoda sofuti. Ano mutimba nena mana. Mutimba nena ndokuziyai.
Izai.
Stop it. Get some help.
Mazinza.
Right, Andy.
Mina repo.
T1.
Ayo,
uyapa kuseri kwenda inu. Ayo, une press bari.
abozika cha wait first.
Ayo. Don't touch the fast. Ayo, don't touch the fast. Ayo, ndakato press. Ayo, watida rusha matsina ansara chikura.
Uno mask kana 5 4 3 2.
3 2 1.
Sabo imi hapana mvura.
Hapana mvura cha.
3
2 1 go.
Yebana hii na ngwari vanhu oye offside ref offside
Wait for it.
Here it comes. Almost there. No! God, please, no! 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 No!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Like a fountain overflowing, going upside down.
I'm doing a video. Yeah, you qualified. What are you doing at 7 days, dude?
Damn!
You are disqualified, my friend.
I went on a sleep out. You're disqualified, you know. No, Samba.
Samba se muku noneka guisha.
Na presa budo.
Presa. Wapo red guard ja.
Unanibiria.
mama vile pale nyama baba
Kwa siku ndio.
pesa mtoto pale nyama baba
Ana ngururo.
Game in 90 minutes.
mtoto pale nyama
Wow. Matrix isha. Matrix, ma tactics. Wapachi gunduru ma half pa yese ban.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Kapan bila gue memang dulu pale nyama baba nanti gue
Kana pinjo kwa ngoja.
Kapeze leka guishi. Wapeze.
Unamona mbele za nje.
ya desa
Anga digiri wa mo.
ai wabili yo bai wa yese mungu utoni
Like a fountain overflowing, going upside down.
Acha wina chiguisha man.
where is
Ukando.
Mkana wavo na wapenda futi.
Hapo ndazigwa.
Kana wapenda mwana wa shama.
Like a fountain overflowing, going upside down.
Yes.
Tichatesa makamera So okay guys, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribe.
Channel yake tishaisa. Yo tishaisa. Praise abirio. Wabude.
Nazigwa boys.
Peace.